Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detail video to show you how to stow your manual wheelchair into the mid position of a Honda Odyssey. Now, although we're showing a manual chair here, we can do the lightweight power chairs as well. So the great part of this system is that there's zero modification to the vehicle, literally no holes drilled in the vehicle. When we get to the position where we want to be, simply put the wheelchair down and we're ready to go. We want to exit the vehicle. Simply raise the chair. Out we go. Remove the docking device. Now we have lots of different docking devices. This is only one of probably 15 or 20 different docking devices that we feature. Now that we've got the wheelchair out of the way, you can really see where the mechanism is. And the great part is that all of this mechanism in this area, this is all removable. So everything is on requires zero tool, so you can take this entire mast assembly out, so that if you do have someone sitting in the mid position here, of course, you can remove all of this so that you're able to use that passenger mid position here. So if you look here, we're going right into the factory seats, and it does not preclude you being able to put the factory seat in this position. And everything is all on finger removable device here. You can actually take the entire unit out. Many of the Hondas have a spare tire under this cover here, so you're able to simply quick release the unit so that you can access the spare tire. If you have more questions, please give us a call at 607-669-4822. And remember, this is a detail video designed to be seen in conjunction with other videos that you'll see in the notes field of this video. So scroll down and you'll see those other videos, give you lots more information. Contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. Give us a call at 607-669-4822. Daytimes, that's Eastern Standard Time. Evenings and weekends are no problem whatsoever. 615-873-0518. Again, contact us on our website, www.accessunlimited.com. We look forward to hearing back from you, and thank you, and we hope you like what you've seen. This is the Easy-Stow PIT. Have a great day.